Hey guys, this is Daniel, the Moldman Smith, coming to you from another inspection. As you can tell, this air conditioning unit pan in the attic has overflowed and caused water to leak in behind the walls. This room was not used by the homeowner, so they didn't know it. So this is why we preach about doing routine inspections, because we could obviously have noticed this and recognized this from the attic sooner than later. So you can see where some growth has occurred. Looking kind of nasty there, all down into the walls. This did extend 3 levels, so from the attic, second floor, main floor, and down into the basement. So just want to show you how important routine inspections by a mold inspector is going to be beneficial to you, because we can help eliminate these problems more than anything. So continue to follow us, continue to like our videos, subscribe. If you have any comments, please let us know. Thanks again for following us. This is Daniel, the Moldman Smith. We're the company that's bringing a solution to the pollution.